This is the video regarding chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes, class 12. In this video, we are going to explain the chemical reactions of haloalkanes. Generally, there are three types of reactions of haloalkanes and haloarenes. The first one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second one is elimination reaction, and the third one is reaction with metals. So between these three we will discuss the nucleophilic substitution reaction at first. Let us see what is nucleophile. Nucleophile, as we know, is the nucleus loving species or electron rich species which will have philicity towards any positive charge, and substitution means halogen will be substituted by the nucleophile. So the reaction nucleophilic substitution means the halogen of alkyl halide or aryl halide will be substituted by some nucleophile. So this is the reaction of alkyl halide and nucleophile, and it will give us the product in which halogen will be substituted by the nucleophile. Here X minus is halogen obviously, and we called it leaving group because this group is leaving its bond or its place, and nucleophile is the Nu, which I have denoted here as Nu. So this is the nucleophile. Now a point regarding the nucleophile is that nucleophile can be of a type ambident nucleophile. What does the word ambident means? We can see there is a term regarding ambident is ambi. So ambi means somewhat related to double or two. So the nucleophile which is having two donor atoms will be the ambident nucleophile, in which we can give an example of cyanide. We can see that in this structure the nitrogen atom is having the negative charge, and after resonance we can see that in this structure carbon atom has gained the negative charge. So the both atoms, nitrogen and carbon, can act as nucleophilic center, or it can attack any positive charge. So cyanide is the ambident nucleophile. One question which is very important from this part is that if we treat alkyl halide with potassium cyanide, then we have the product alkyl cyanide. But in case of alkyl halide and AgCN, silver cyanide, we get the product as alkyl isocyanide. We have to explain this observation. Let us see why it is happening. We can see that in case of Rx, that means alkyl halide and potassium cyanide, the reaction follows the path SN2. What is SN2? SN2 means substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. That means this is one type of nucleophilic substitution which have the molecularity 2. And in this case, where alkyl halide reacts with silver cyanide, in that process the reaction follows the mechanism SN1. That means substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. That means the nucleophilic substitution which follows the path by molecularity 1. So easily we can see the mechanism is different for both cases, and obviously if the mechanism is different, then there will be difference in the product. We can also explain the difference in product by other way. What is that? In case of potassium cyanide, reaction proceeds through SN2 mechanism. In case of SN2 mechanism, the carbon center which is having the minus charge will attack the alkyl group, and from the back side and from the front side the halogen will leave, and there will be the bond formation between carbon and alkyl group. Now we can see that there was two center, carbon and nitrogen, both can have the negative charge and both can act as the donor atom. Then why only the carbon is attacking here to the R group? not the nitrogen? That will be answered by this principle known as soft hard acid base principle. What does this principle say? We can see that in this structure carbon is having the negative charge, and in this structure nitrogen is having the negative charge. So between nitrogen and carbon, nitrogen has more electronegativity, and for that the negative charge will be carried by nitrogen more preferably than the carbon. So here nitrogen will be the hard center and carbon will be the soft center. So here in case of potassium cyanide, where the alkyl halide is the reagent and the reactant, there this alkyl group is also a soft center because it is acquiring only a small positive charge and the halogen is acquiring small negative charge. So between this soft center and the soft center of cyanide carbon, there will be reaction and we can have the product alkyl cyanide. Why only soft and soft? Because according to SHAB principle, soft combination and hard combination is more favorable than soft hard combination. So in case of silver cyanide, it occurs by SN1 mechanism we have already seen. So what happens there? In case of silver cyanide, alkyl halide at first form the precipitate of AgX and a carbocation is generated here because SN1 reaction follows the path of carbocation intermediate formation. So due to this, the alkyl halide is giving carbocation and it is the hard center. So obviously the hard center or R plus will attack by the nitrogen, which is also the hard center, and the product will be alkyl isocyanide, where the bond formation is between R group, alkyl group, and the hard center nitrogen. So the product can be explained by both the mechanism and the soft hard acid base principle, which is called SHAB principle. So this is very important question from this part, and this is all about the nucleophilic substitution reaction in case of alkyl halide part introduction. In next video we will explain the different types of nucleophilic substitution reaction.